Good morning, guys. Welcome back. So I feel like I'm pretty much always starting these vlogs on the front porch, and it's because it's so loud in my house. It's so loud in my house. There's 7 kids in there. It's very, very loud. So yeah, so this is the only place I can come and it's quiet and I can open the vlog. Today, we have a super fun, he's not even like engaging with me, he's pretending like he doesn't even know me. We have a fun day today planned. So creepy. We're still on this.
I'm working. Your day might be fun. I've got.
Yeah, he's working. I mean, my day's fun. His day's not so much fun. Wait, hold on.
Scratch my ear here. It tickles. Give me a little tickle.
Such a weirdo. Such a weirdo. Okay, so he's gonna work, but I am going to take Shelby and some friends out to lunch today. We're still on the birthday celebration train. As you guys know, we really like to drag out birthdays in this house. Mine goes on
a month.
Okay, it used to go. It used to go on a month, but once I got pregnant with the twins, what did we do for my birthday?
I don't even remember.
Exactly. Exactly. It used to be, but once I was pregnant with the twins and we had the twins, and then it was my birthday, the twins' birthday, and Rosie's birthday. My birthday doesn't happen anymore. There's a lady walking by, and she's probably gonna be like, "Why are they filming this?"
That's really funny. Like. When we're out in public, it doesn't bother me.
But when it's our neighbor.
But when our neighbors.
Anyways, so now I'm like whispering because I don't want her to hear me. I think she has headphones in. It's fine. So we're gonna take Shelby to lunch. I have to go get our cars inspected. Do you guys live in a state where you have to do car inspections? It really stinks. It really stinks. It's an emissions inspection to make sure that your car's not polluting the earth. So I get it.
Before they allow you to pay your taxes.
Yeah, but you can't pay your taxes or get like your updated plates and stuff until you've done it. So the man, just a hammer down.
We want you and your money.
All your money. Seriously, all your money. Okay, what else? We're wrapping up. Actually, by the time you guys are watching this video, we will probably have finished the shed and be doing the thing that's going to be done in the shed, which means if you actually, yeah, if you guys are watching this video on Saturday, then that means Monday you are going to want to be back here Monday morning at 7 a.m. because that's the day. That's the day that all. That makes it sound like it's something else.
You said
that's
it.
not
like
what
we're
it
going to
is.
be doing the thing in the shed that we're going to be doing.
That's not what we're doing, and that's not what.
That is, I don't know. Hanukkah took it.
Kennedy's working on new flashcards, but this is hashtag this is homeschooling. Ciara's working over there. Shelby's doing Kennedy's flashcards for her. Okay, I just got back from getting the car inspected. And then I ate some buffalo chicken dip, which was amazing. Do you guys have Publix near you? If you have Publix near you, you have to try their buffalo chicken dip. It is so good. They also have a taco chicken dip. But now I feel like I have stuff all over my teeth, so I came up here to brush my teeth. So question number 1, are you somebody who brushes your teeth more than once a day? I would say that I often brush my teeth at least 2 to 3 times a day because I feel like I need to brush them after I'm done with coffee, I brush my teeth a lot. So let me know down in the comments how often you guys brush your teeth. Hopefully it's at least once a day. So today's video is actually sponsored by Vanity Planet, and you guys know I've shared about them with you before, specifically this awesome wand that I use all the time. You guys know I've shared with you about my love for this thing, but today I'm going to share with you guys about their awesome new toothbrush. I've been using this for a couple of months now. They actually sent this to me. It was months ago. So I've been using it for a few months. It's called the Smile Bright Platinum Sonic Toothbrush. And let me tell you guys, if you are germ people, not that you're germy, but you don't like germs. So I'll also tell you that I read an article a few years ago that said that toothbrushes are actually one of the like dirtiest things because they sit in your bathroom on the counter, and then when you flush the toilet, poop flakes come up out of the toilet and they get on your toothbrush and you got poop flakes on your toothbrush. Is that not the nastiest thing ever? Okay, so this is gonna solve that for you though if you're worried about it. Some people aren't, but I am. So if you're worried about it, this is totally gonna solve that because this is gonna make all of your sanitary dreams come true. Let me show you up close. Okay, so this is what the toothbrush looks like. It has a little charging station right here, as you can see. And it does have 3 different settings for cleaning: the clean, dazzle, and pulse. And then here's the best part. So when you're done using your toothbrush, all that you have to do is take this little head off, and back here is your UV cleaning station. So you just take the head off and you just drop it in here into the little cleaning station, face it towards the light. The UV light's right here, and you face it towards the light, close the top, and that little light comes on. And it stays on for about 6 to 8 minutes, and what that does is it kills 99% of the germs that are on your toothbrush head. So next time when you go to brush your teeth, you'll just be able to open it and take one of these heads out and know that they're totally sanitized and use it on your toothbrush. I mean, obviously it's quite sleek and looks really nice on your countertop, which is a major plus. And for those of you guys who already use Sonic toothbrushes and love them, this one is very affordable compared to other Sonic toothbrushes out there. It also has a 2-minute smart auto timer. So basically, you know, dentists tell you you're supposed to brush your teeth for 2 minutes, 30 seconds in each like quadrant of your mouth. So this toothbrush stays on for 2 minutes, but every 30 seconds it takes a little pause so you know to stop and move sections. And when you charge it, the battery life is actually really long. It lasts for about 6 weeks once it's charged, which is great if you're traveling and you don't want to take the whole travel station with you. You can just take the toothbrush, it'll stay charged for about 6 weeks, and you can put the little plastic head over the top. Now obviously you're not gonna get all the benefits of the sanitizer if you're taking it, but that's okay. When you're traveling, sometimes you just gotta make do. So yes, I will have a link down below if you guys want to try this awesome little toothbrush from Vanity Planet. It will give you 75% off. I know a lot of you really loved that last product that I showed you, and you guys really enjoyed it. So I love this one, and I think you guys will like it too. Like I said, 75% off down below in the description box. Happy brushing. Thank me later when there's no more poop particles on your toothbrush. All right, we are getting ready to do a little girls' lunch. Are you excited? For Shelby's birthday, she wants to go to Tsunami, which is one of those like Japanese restaurants where they cook in front of you. Rosie and Kennedy and Shelby and I are gonna go get some Japanese food, and then we're taking 2 of Shelby's friends with us. So it's gonna be me and 5 little girls. So wish me luck, though I'm certain I won't need it because they're all wonderful little girls. So I'm sure it's gonna be fine, but yeah. All right, we're all here. Are you ready? You gotta watch your attitude, sister.
She believes we have fried chicken with me.
Yep, we're gonna go right over here to Tsunami. You guys ready? Okay, let me close this door. All right, no cars, let's go. Right up there.
Well, hello, cute girl. Would you like a rice cake? Nice transaction. I have a favor to ask you. Would you mind not peeing on my stove? Deal. Don't look so mad about it. You know, there's lots of other places you can take care of that business. Would you agree?
Maybe the litter box.
Hey, don't try and schmooze me now. Alright, it's not gonna work. The proof is in the pudding, mister. Or the proof is in your pee. Just put it where it's supposed to go. The designated box that we've given you to share with Darby. I think he knows I'm allergic to him too. Just purposely trying to rub all your cat dander all up in my grill. Huh. Ow. I know, it's cushy. I understand that. You don't need to point it out. I get that there's a nice soft landing area for you. But please refrain from clawing me. Let's do a quick, exploration of what's in your mind right now. Which is probably also on your desk. What is that?
Starburst wrapper.
Yeah.
Necklace.
Okay.
Pencil.
Uh-huh.
Hobonichi.
Habanichi.
My phone, which is ringing.
Who is
My
it?
literary agent.
Ooh, take it.
Hello.
Hi, Jennifer.
Hey, how are you? Yeah.
This is going to be a good opportunity to tell you guys that I'm going to be doing a whole feature on that one right there in her book writing process, because it has been awesome to watch, and just as a kind of like a bystander from the outside looking in, it's been pretty incredible. So at some point when I can get the time and we can share the news, I'll throw that on there for you guys.
All right, we're back in Le Shed. It's a French version of a terribly dirty shed. I don't know. I'm tired, you guys. I'm tired. We're questioning lots of things about the way these people set this up before us, because it's a nightmare. But we got to start by taking all the old nails out. Then we're going to try to hang some insulation. We're actually only going to focus on one half of this shed for right now, because that's the half I need for what I'm doing. That's mosquito.
Screwed.
Did you see that mosquito biting me on the face? You got it on the video. Now I'm gonna have a big mosquito bite. Ugh. I hate skeeters. I hate skeeters. Yeah, my side's getting done first.
BS.
Walk me in the morning sun. Tell me I'm a lucky one. I'm riding on the wave of a notion that I could be brave. Is there anything